Septic tank maintenance FAQs. Keeping your septic system in good shape is essential to avoid costly repairs and messy problems. Many homeowners have questions about how to care for their septic tanks properly. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are the most common FAQs with simple answers to help you maintain your system effectively. 1. How often should I pump my septic tank? Most septic tanks need pumping every 3 to 5 years. The exact frequency depends on household size, water usage, and tank capacity. 2. What are signs that my septic tank is full? Watch for these warning signs: slow draining sinks or toilets, bad odors from drains or your yard, gurgling noises in pipes, pooling water or lush grass over the drain field, sewage backing up into the house. 3. Can I use septic tank additives? Most additives aren't necessary. Your system naturally contains bacteria that break down waste. Some chemicals can even harm the system rather than help it. 4. What should I avoid flushing? Never flush these items: grease, oils, and fats, wipes, paper towels, or hygiene products, coffee grounds or food scraps, harsh chemicals like bleach or drain cleaners. 5. How can I make my septic system last longer? Follow these best practices: use water efficiently to prevent overload, get regular inspections and pumping, keep heavy vehicles off the drain field, use septic safe cleaning products, redirect rainwater away from the tank area. 6. Can heavy rain affect my septic system? Yes, too much rain can flood the drain field, causing slow drainage or backups. Make sure your yard slopes away from the system to prevent this. 7. What happens if my septic system fails? A failing system can cause bad odors, backups, and pollution. If you notice problems, call a professional immediately to avoid serious damage. 8. Can tree roots damage my septic system? Yes. Tree roots seek moisture and can break into pipes, causing blockages. Keep trees at least 30 feet away from your septic system. 9. Can I repair a septic system myself? No, repairs require professional expertise. DIY fixes can make the problem worse and may violate local regulations. 10. How do I know if my septic system is working properly? If your drains work smoothly, there are no bad odors, and there's no water pooling in your yard, your system is likely in good condition. Regular inspections help catch problems early. Proper septic maintenance is simple but essential. Pumping regularly, using water wisely, and avoiding harmful substances can extend your system's life and prevent expensive issues. When in doubt, consult a septic professional. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.